Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. This is a video that I think that I am just one of the most exciting videos that I am doing because it is totally something that is my element. If you guys did not know, of course, I have tattooed, hence my name, Tattooed Mama. I plan to be fully covered, and when this company reached out to me and wanted me to, sorry, I just ran up the stairs because I had to go grab this, but I'm out of breath a little bit. But when this company reached out to me, I said, heck yes, absolutely. I would love to review these for my subscribers. So Semink, this is what the company's called. I'm pretty sure it's called either Semink or Semink, which I'm pretty sure it's Semink. They thank you so much for sending this out to me. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope that I can work with you guys more in the future because your products are amazing. I'm already telling you guys this right now. I will show you the tattoos that I got, kind of how they applied, how I applied it, and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be talking through it, and at the end I'm going to come back and give you guys my overall opinion. So if you want to see this little temporary tattoos, and if you're interested in them, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now some of the tattoos that you can get, and as you see, you can get that full bundle for about $6. So there's a lot of y'all who I know don't want to commit to getting tattoos like me, but these are really great for if you're wanting just a tattoo for a day or two, if you're going to a festival, if you're going to a party or something like that, because these are so realistic looking. Plus, you can get one that you actually may want tattoo wise. I'll show you, I got a mermaid one which I really liked. I do want a mermaid right here in between these two parts. The mermaid that I did get, of course, wasn't really how I would want the mermaid to look, but it was a good kind of way for me to actually see if I really want a mermaid there, and it made me really decide that I do want a mermaid here. So yeah, here are some of the options that I got, and then I'm going to show you guys again, like I said, how the other ones that I got that I've already wore, how it wore, and all that. So here are the three that I have left. This one is just so detailed and beautiful. And there's this one, and then there's this one as well. Alright, so the first one that I put on was this beautiful dream catcher. I know it looks kind of weird where I put it on my hand, but I wanted to put it on my hands because I want to see how this wore on the hands with washing your hands and all that. And this is 2 days later, so it held up, in my opinion, really well on my hand, considering the fact that I do clean houses and I had to wear gloves, take gloves off and all that. So plus I showered those times, so it stayed on really well. But as you can see, I just rubbed the tattoo with my finger. I didn't need to use alcohol or anything like that, and it came off so easily, which is so great, I feel, especially if you have kids. This is the mermaid one that I was talking about, and I am just going to show you how I applied it. So I found the spot on my body where I wanted it, and then you just stick it down. It says to get a wet washcloth or a piece of ice. I just got a piece of paper towel and got it wet. It says to hold on there for a little bit, but honestly guys, it goes on really fast. I peeled it off and that's what it looks like. So here's another one I did on my ankle, and I absolutely think this is so beautiful. Like I said, the tattoos are just so vibrant and so gorgeous. Okay, so I will be giving 2 of these away, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to be giving these 2 away to a lucky winner. So if you want to know how to enter this, then just read the description down below. It will be international just because I can put this in an envelope and then ship it. It's not going to be too pricey. So if you want to test these out, then like I said, be sure you enter down below, and I'll probably have that open for till end of July, possibly. You know, always be sure to look on my description tag because that's how I tell the winners that they won. But anyway, overall opinion review on these, they're amazing. And like I mentioned before, these come off so much easier than any other tattoo that I have ever tried, and I've tried out a pretty good amount of temporary tattoos. I had this time where I didn't have too many tattoos yet, and I would get the ones that looked kind of like henna, and those would rub off so fast. I love how these ones wear. I love how vibrant they are, and I can just go on and on about how much I love these. So if you guys are interested, like I said, the company, so if you guys are interested, like I said, the website will be linked down below. Let me know if you're going to purchase some. Let me know how you think these looked on me, and I don't know, I'm really excited to hopefully try more of these out. Again, Semink, thank you so much for reaching out to me and giving me some of these to test out, and also for one of my subscribers to test out, so I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, hit that like button, it does help me out. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.